This is the world's longest Hot Wheels track, and I'm about to set an official world record in 3, 2, 1. But wait, how long does a Hot Wheels track actually need to be to set an official world record? For us to set that world record, the track needs to be at least a half a mile long. And although Crunch Labs is big, it's not a half a mile long big. That's why I built this network of track to continuously go back and forth using these little rollers to keep the car in motion. But even with all this track, it's still not nearly enough to beat a world record. So we filled an entire wall. And after about 10 minutes of this car continuously going back and forth, we complete the track and set an official new world record.